Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this Bosch Flex Click driver set. Has a lot of neat adapters and stuff in here. Let's open it up, but to give you an idea, that is the box. Just give you all ends, and I strategically have everything crossed out here. I was going to rip this this label off, but it was going to it looks like it was going to destroy the box, and I like boxes. I like the way they look. Anyway. So let's open this up, see what we get inside. So I've been waiting to get this for such a long time, and believe it or not, alright, so that's everything in a box, so that's empty. I use a lot of tools, and I needed something that I was not going to get all greasy and everything else. To go outside of my studio, I basically use tools like crazy, but they all get dirty, and I've been buying a lot of different I put together type furniture type products, and I needed something to basically to keep my hands clean, because I'm going to keep these clean. So that's why we got this. And I'm pulling everything out in a case, and we'll kind of take it out and show you everything. So it has a nice little locking area here, so you can Velcro strap, and it is elastic, which is really cool. So you can see from the overhead view. So that is the heart of the whole tool set, and it does have a battery. The battery looks like it's definitely on the weak side, so just to kind of give you an idea. But that is neat, and it's got your power setting up there. 1 and 2, and then it has your torque selection, so you go from 20 all the way down to 1, which I love using that, because there's some things that, especially if you put different press board products together, like filing cabinets or furniture, and you have it on drill setting, you're just going to basically just rip it apart. So I like the fact that this has a different torque setting on it. It has your chuck lock on here, so you can open this up, then you can lock it in place, so wherever you need that chuck. So that's a really good feature. Has a nice little light in the front of it. I don't know about you, but the lights, they're never powerful enough for anything that you need, but that's just me. So this chuck actually comes off, so that is your drill head, and this is what locks it into place. So that's locked, so that's not coming off. So unlocked, that pulls off like that. And then you can add your other little driver heads. And the main reason why I got this one is that the head I'm looking for? No, it's this one. This is the offset head, which is really fantastic. So we're going to put that back in. Then we're going to lock it in place. And this is one of the main reasons why I got this, because this has a offset chuck on it. So if you're going underneath the desk, where a normal drill would not fit, you had that offset, so you can get in there and it's not going to mar anything up. You're not going to have the size of your drill ripping into any type of furniture or any type of thing that you're putting together. So that was the main point why I got this, is because it had that offset chuck on it. That is absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy I got it just for that reason alone. Let's open this box up. See what we get in here. Oh, that is actually awesome. On the description, I did not see that. It actually comes with a second battery, so that is really super helpful. So we can take the charger out, and then we'll put the charger off onto the side, and then we can start charging the battery in there. So that's neat. It's got the green blinking light. My delusion is that's probably going to go solid green or something when it's done. But yeah, I'm not even going to put this away, because I'm going to start using this right away. But I like how it's got all the little accessories, and it has your pocket up here to hold your booklets. You have a Phillips and a standard head. You got a Phillips and a standard head screwdriver bit on here. I was looking for a side of this to see if we actually had a compartment to store them on, but I don't see that. But no big deal. I mean, I'm going to be using all different variety of tips anyway. So these are some of your other tips you can get. You get a regular driver bit piece that goes on there, and I like how it locks in place, so it's not going to pull out on you. Actually, let me get this mounted the right way up here. Okay, there we go. I think let's move it. Okay. All right, so that's locked in place. I like that feature. Unlock and it comes off. But that is your basic bit driver. So you can put your bits on there real quick and use that. You get your standard Phillips head. That is awesome. Love this thing already. Alright, cool deal. And it's got the handy dandy case that you can put that down into. Actually, let's put the regular drill head on it because I think that's just what it's looking for when you put it down. And then lock. So that's that. Got a little strap here. Locks in nice and secure. And like you saw that is going to be for. Actually, I'm going to put this head in here. I'm probably going to be using this one quite frequently. So it holds it there. Put your little accessories up here. Actually, I think this one has a. What's that for the smaller one? Just getting used to everything. You can probably Velcro that around that. Hold that nice and secure. Put that here. You do have a bit compartment on your case right here that I just noticed. So that's cool. So you can put a couple bits in there. Bring them on the road with you. I'm going to let that charge up. And then I see you got your little accessory piece that you can put up there. I think I'm going to kind of like shove it in between there. And then you get your nice little case. Oh, put all the paperwork back. Then you got a nice little carrying case. Anyway, with plenty of room in there. Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Alright, so if you've ever had to put this type of furniture together, this is exactly why I bought this. I mean, why use an Allen key to try to be heroic? Anyway, so you get your little Allen key bit on top of this. I mean, how much simpler can you get than that? Anyway, I love this thing.